Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make gold chocolate-covered strawberries. First, choose ripe, firm strawberries and wash them thoroughly. It's crucial to dry them completely to ensure the chocolate adheres properly. Next, gather your supplies: quality melting chocolate, edible gold dust, and a small, clean brush. Set up your dipping station with parchment paper to catch any drips and provide a place for your finished treats to set. Now let's melt the chocolate. Use a double boiler for even heating or microwave in 30-second bursts, stirring well after each. You want a smooth, glossy consistency, not too thick or too thin. Hold each strawberry by its stem and dip it into the melted chocolate, twisting gently. Lift it out, letting any extra chocolate drip back into the bowl, then place it on your prepared parchment paper. Once your chocolate-covered strawberries have set for a few minutes and are firm but still a little tacky, it's time for the magic. Dip a clean, dry brush into your edible gold dust. You don't need much. A little goes a long way. Gently brush the gold dust onto the chocolate, creating a beautiful, shimmering effect. You can cover the whole strawberry or just add accents for a unique look. For the best experience, enjoy your gold chocolate-covered strawberries within a few hours of making them. If you have any left, store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 2 days. The chocolate might dull slightly, but they'll still be delicious. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to help keep your kitchen sparkling clean after your culinary adventures. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.